Have a good day everyone. Today we will see TJUST command and justify text command in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. First TJUST command. Go TJUST. Select object. Enter. Select middle center. Okay. Again go TJUST command, select text, enter, select top left corner, again TJUST command, select text, bottom left corner. Okay, now go scale, SC, enter, select object, enter, base point, click, scale factor 1.35, enter. Okay, now go match properties, MA, enter, select text, okay, select text, not okay. Okay, select text, not okay, middle center text, okay, top left corner text, not okay, bottom left corner text, not okay. Okay, let's see now. Justify text, type justify text, select text, enter, MC, middle center. Okay, again justify text, select text, enter, top left corner, again justify text, select text, enter, bottom left corner. Okay, let's see. Go scale, SC, enter, select object, base point, scale factor 1.35, enter, go match properties, MA, enter, select text, match text, middle center, okay, top left corner, not okay, bottom left corner, not okay. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.